welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a very healthy recipe, a spinach poriyal or a MANATHAKKALI KEERAI PORIYAL in Tamil. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button. This greens is very good for mouth ulcers, stomach ulcers, and also for different other ailments. So do try this delicious recipe and enjoy it with your family and friends. So let's get started. Let's see the ingredients. We need about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, about 3 green chilies, a few curry leaves, 2 large onions which is finely chopped. You can also use shallots if you want. I have taken about 2 bunches of spinach which is washed and finely chopped. We also need half a coconut which is finely grated. Now take a pan. Let's use fresh ghee for this recipe as it gives an added taste. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of ghee. To this, let's add about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, and stir fry till the urad dal is nice and golden brown. Now you can see that the urad dal is nice and golden brown. At this stage, let's add the chopped onions and a few curry leaves. Let's add the green chilies. You can alter the chilies according to your taste. Stir fry till the onions are nice and translucent. The ghee gives a nice aroma to this dish, and ghee is also very good for ulcers. It is very good for children as well. Now let's add the chopped greens. And stir fry all the ingredients together. We need not add water, just add a little salt, about half a teaspoon. You can see in a few minutes the water comes out of the greens and it becomes nice and soggy. Close it with a lid and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Now let's check the greens. You can see that the water has come out of the greens. So let it cook for another 5 more minutes till the water is nice and dry. Now let's check. You can see there's no water in the greens. The greens is cooked well and is nice and dry. Now at this stage, let's add the grated coconut. Today I have taken about half a coconut which is freshly grated. Sprinkle some coconut on top of the greens and mix it thoroughly. Check the seasoning. That's it, friends. Our delicious spinach poriyal is ready. It has a lot of medicinal values, so do try this delicious recipe and enjoy it with your family and friends. Hope you like this recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.